The complete history of Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal is one of the most famous monuments in the world and a powerful symbol of love. It is located in the city of Agra, India, on the banks of the Yamuna River. Every year, millions of tourists from different countries visit the Taj Mahal to see its beauty and learn about its history. This magnificent building was constructed during the Mughal Empire and has a deep emotional and historical background. The Taj Mahal was built by the Mughal Empire Shah Jahan in memory of his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal. Mumtaz Mahal died in 1631 while giving birth to their 14th child. Shah Jahan was deeply heartbroken by her death. According to historians, he promised to build the most beautiful tomb in the world to honor her love and memory. This promise led to the creation of the Taj Mahal. Construction of the Taj Mahal began in 1632 and took about 22 years to complete. It was finished around 1653. More than 20,000 workers, including architects, artisans, calligraphers, and laborers worked on the project. Skilled craftsmen were brought from different regions such as Persia, Turkey, Central Asia, and India. The chief architect is believed to be Ustad Ahmad Lauri, although many experts contributed to the design. The Taj Mahal is made mainly of white marble, which was brought from Makrana in Rajasthan. Precious and semi-precious stones like jade, turquoise, sapphire, and jasper were used to decorate the walls. These stones were inlaid into the marble using a technique called Petra Dora, creating beautiful floral design. The monument also features Quranic verses written in elegant calligraphy. The structure of the Taj Mahal is perfectly symmetrical. It includes large central dome, 4 minarets, a mosque, a guest house, and beautiful gardens laid out in the traditional Mughal style known as charbagh. The central dome is about 73 meters high and can be seen from far away. The minarets slightly lean outward to protect the main tomb in case of an earthquake. Inside the Taj Mahal lie the symbolic graves of Mumtaz Mahal and Shah Jahan. The real graves are located in a lower chamber as per Islamic tradition. After Shah Jahan died in 1666, he was buried inside Mumtaz Mahal, uniting them in death. After the decline of the Mughal Empire, the Taj Mahal suffered neglect. During British rule, part of the monument were damaged and some precious stones were removed. However, later British officials also helped restore it. In the 20th century, the Indian government took major steps to preserve the Taj Mahal from pollution and environmental damage. In 1983, the Taj Mahal was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is described as the jewel of Muslim art in India and one of the universally admired masterpieces of the world heritage. Today, the Taj Mahal is also recognized as one of the 7 wonders of the modern world. In conclusion, the Taj Mahal is not just a building, it is a story carved in stone. It represents eternal love, artistic excellence, and rich story. Despite centuries passing, the Taj Mahal continues to inspire people with its beauty and emotional power, standing as a timeless monument of love and devotion.